We are back here in the kitchen with Ken and Verveine Oringer making up some gluten-free delicacies courtesy of your newest cookbook. What do you have for us
Cooking
today?
with my dad, the chef.
Yeah.
I love it.
What are we making?
So today we're making mochi waffles with caramel sauce.
Oh,
Everyone loves mochi. Too.
yes. And everyone loves
mochi.
waffles.
Yeah. Mochi, real quick, while you're mixing is what?
Right,
For the uninitiated, what is mochi?
What is mochi, Verveine?
Yeah, so mochi is basically like this rice flour, basically, and it's called a glutinous, but there's actually no gluten in it. That just means that it's like really stretchy and like that type of thing. And when you mix it with water, it gets like that more like stretchy type of feel.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
She's a scientist too.
Listen to that
Hi,
explanation.
Verveine. You want to whisk that? So, what do we have in there, Verveine?
So we have the eggs, the milk, and then the butter.
Okay.
Okay. And then here I'm adding some
dry
mochico
mix,
flour,
if you will.
this is mochi flour,
I'm
mochico.
gonna
So
very
this is the
cute.
key to mochi, anything mochi. So you can buy this in lots of Asian markets.
I was going to say, it's an Asian delicacy, correct?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, so we
Have
have
fun.
baking powder, we have salt, sea salt, we have mochico flour, sugar, and then Verveine, I'm going to make a little well in here.
Look
I
at
love
that.
this. He just has a
Make little well.
chopstick. Like a chef. He's like, I'll use whatever is available.
It's so true. Come on. I mean, you know how resourceful chefs are, especially. I mean, I know you guys have this
Listen.
amazing studio, but you know, we have to kind of wing it a little.
Yeah.
You can
Oh,
cook
yeah.
out in the forest.
So you've got the dry ingredients in one bowl, wet
Go ahead.
ingredients in
Here's
the
a
other.
well.
And now they get
Good.
married.
You?
Throw that in, baby.
Almost like you're
beautiful.
making pasta. The well in the middle.
Oh, my
and then
God.
it's
yes.
great.
Now I'm really hungry.
All right. You want to whisk that, cutie?
Okay.
Put this over here. All right, so then you just whisk that until it's smooth. And again, it couldn't be easier. That's the thing. A lot of people are intimidated by cooking.
Yeah.
And this book, we wanted to make sure that even dishes with truffles or with sea urchin, we have all sorts of stuff that the kids grew up on.
Wow.
And,
Sea urchin.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something.
And a kid-
I
and a
grew
kid's
up on
cookbook.
TV dinners
Oh, and look
and
at the photos, the family. I love this. Look at this.
Fantastic.
Right inside
All
the
right.
cover.
So we get that smooth, then we let it sit for about 10 minutes just to,
Okay.
with mochico flour, you really want it to absorb the liquid. So
Okay.
just let it sit for about 10 minutes. And then, Verveine, I'll pop this
And
open.
then through the magic of television, you have one that's been sitting
Yeah.
for 10 minutes.
So I'll pop
Into the
this
waffle maker
in.
she goes.
Oh,
Okay, so
The
this
sound
is
of
half a
that
cup of batter. And you could use any waffle iron you'd like. Go ahead, Verveine.
Verveine, in the hierarchy of recipes in this book, where does this one rank?
I'd say this is a really good one because it's like a dessert that's really, really quick and easy to make, but it's also delicious and just timeless. Like anyone loves it.
is it
it's
your
a waffle.
favorite one in the whole book?
Probably not. I'd say my favorite. It's definitely high up there because
Yeah.
all of these
Smells so
recipes
good.
are my favorite among so many more.
Yeah.
So these are definitely, all of them are delicious in their
What's
own way.
another little teaser that we can find in this book that you love?
I love like the truffle pasta.
While you're talking, sprinkle
Yeah.
that with some what?
Sprinkle
What
that
is
with some
that?
powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar.
And Verveine, what's that sauce we put on there?
So that's salted caramel sauce, and you can find the recipe to that in the book.
Have
but-
mercy. You have your own recipe
Whoa,
for the
whoa.
caramel sauce. Listen,
All right.
everything's better with more powdered
Now,
sugar.
these giant globs of chocolatey
yes.
deliciousness.
What is that?
Those are your brownies.
Yes, so those are the triple chocolate brownies. And then here we have our baci di dama, which mean kiss of a woman in Italian. Yes.
Sì, buonissimo.
And they are both recipes in our book. They're delicious. I'd say the baci di dama.
Those look
Guys,
very fancy.
try this.
Oh
This
my
is
god,
like
they
an
are my favorite
This looks
thing.
like something that I would buy from a market in Italy.
These are
Exactly,
and
they have these
everything you
everywhere in
made
Italy.
is gluten-free.
Oh yes.
Unbelievable. All
you
right,
go.
I'm gonna taste this.
Oh my god. Wow.
So these are
Wow.
buttery,
Chef's baci.
salty, and with Nutella in there. I mean, have you ever had a bad dish with Nutella?
No.
No,
It's
Never.
impossible. It's impossible.
And there's the waffle.
Okay. and
There's
then
one
we'll
over there, one over
let it
there.
rest over here.
Put on the rack to firm up.
Thank you so much.
That's a great
Oh my
sized
God.
waffle too. Guys, we
Get the
gotta get
book.
these books autographed. Get the book. Cooking with My Dad, the Chef. It hits shelves tomorrow. Make sure to grab your copy.